In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove censored words in League of Legends. Chat Filter 2025. If you've ever noticed certain words in chat being replaced with stars or symbols, that's the language filter at work. Some players prefer to see messages as they're typed, especially when communicating with friends or reviewing chat logs for clarity. Just keep in mind that turning this off may expose you to mature or offensive language, so choose what feels right for you. Start by opening the League of Legends client and make sure you're on the main home screen. At the top right, you'll see a small gear icon. This is the gateway to your settings. Click the gear icon to open the settings window, where all of your client preferences live. Inside Settings, look to the left side for the section labeled Chat and Friends. Go ahead and click that. This section controls how your chat behaves across the client, including how messages are displayed in lobbies, Champ Select, and Postgame. Now, find the option called Enable Language Filter. You'll see a checkbox next to it. When this box is checked, the client automatically censors words it considers inappropriate by replacing them with symbols. If you want to remove the censor and see chat as it's typed, simply uncheck that box. That's the key change. Once you've unchecked it, click Done to confirm and close the settings window. Your preference is saved immediately, and you don't need to restart the client. From this point forward, chat will no longer be filtered on your screen. This only affects what you see. It doesn't change what other players see on their end, since the filter is personal to each account. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you share your computer with younger players or prefer a cleaner chat experience, you can come back to the same menu and re-enable the filter at any time by checking the box again. Also, even with the filter off, it's important to follow the game's code of conduct. Turning off the filter doesn't change the rules around harassment or hate speech. It just changes how messages are displayed to you. That's all there is to it. Open the client, click the gear icon, head to Chat and Friends, uncheck Enable Language Filter, and click Done. You're now in full control of how chat appears in your game. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your matches.